big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Happy Mother's Day to my mom.
Hey y'all, today's Mother's Day and I'm on my way to go see Kimani. His birthday's tomorrow. So I had other plans for him, but his father, I'm blaming his father because he used to come out here. It's windy out here. I'm wearing a dress. Let me show you my outfit. You know how long I had this dress? It's Kimani outfit. No, I wasn't from Shein for how long now, and I'm just now wearing this dress. Last year, probably the year before. It was the year before. But they got the Mother's Day thing back there. I don't know. I'm early though. I'm not trying to see if I should go walk and go to that mall that's by the thing, or I should take the bus. I feel like I want to walk. Yeah, I'm gonna walk. I'm early. Happy Mother's Day to my mommy in heaven. I miss you. I love you. I wish she was here. And can't wait to see. Damn, it's been 2 years since my mom's gone. Like, it's ridiculous. Yeah, you know the flower teddy bear? I bought one for me and my mommy. I bought it from Shein. Oh, this is cute. How much?
This is 10.
That's 10?
Yeah.
All of them is 10?
Yeah, all of them are 10. Those are 25. And then this is 30. My trainings for this.
Oh, okay, how much is this? Oh, that's cute.
This is 5.
That's 5?
Yeah.
I should get this for myself. That's cute. With the... Okay. Yeah, I'll
You
get
need to cut?
Oh, you can put the, yeah, you can put the
Oh,
bottom.
yeah.
Up until... You can put it right here. Yeah. Put it in. Alright. Sorry, I'm taking the money out. The other lady had one, but that one is, I think that one is cuter. Here you go. Thank you. Oh, for myself. So, I do love me.
Yeah. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I just call myself Rosie. I don't know. Maybe I am starting to like roses. But these are the ones that's gonna, you know, die. But I like this. It's cute. So cute. Oh my god. Woo. Oh my god. I'm trying not to cry, bro. Like, I wish my mom was here.
I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing, and I can hold my own hand. Yeah, I can love me better than you can.
I'm going to the mall. Only start for a little bit. Like, I have time, so I'm gonna go in there and see what they have. I gotta pee. That's what I'm going in there, to be honest. I'm going in there because I gotta pee. Oh, I thought I got my new phone. I don't know if I told y'all. I don't know if I told y'all I got my new phone, but I did. I got my 11 Pro and I cannot wait to open it. But I'm not going to open it yet until I'm going on my trip. Because that's what I'm going to use to record while I'm there. Let me get out of this place, though. Excuse me. I'm leaving 50 minutes before we leave.
Use any lane to turn left onto Pennsylvania 191 South North 5th Street. 103 north, then continue straight.
You gon' probably be right back tomorrow, might as well.
A lot of people out here. It looks like it's a way, Papa.
It's difficult for me because
Sorry, excuse me. Thank you. Hi.
This whole the first lady. 1 and 2 of that.
So it's around 2:30-ish. We're waiting, and online it didn't say to reserve anything, but I should have known because it's Mother's Day. She said 25 to 30 minutes, so by 3 o'clock should be able to. What you doing? What you doing? I'm about to use my charger. Papa, come on, man, don't finish it. Let me see your battery. Your battery don't be low and you want to be okay. 8%. Okay, go ahead. You always want to use up my charger, my portable charger. But yeah, we're waiting to eat some steak. I was gonna go to the buffet, but we went there already, and it is cheaper. But they said this is like the cheaper version of. I've never been here before. It's my first time coming here, and this is the cheaper version of Ruth Chris and Chop House or something like that. Yeah, I saw it on TikTok. So, and I'm gonna try the viral TikTok thing, the TikTok food they got. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try I think it's steak with Parmesan, baked potato, and something else. And I saw the menu. The price is reasonable for me. Okay, so I'm gonna get me something nice and get Papa some steak too. And his birthday's tomorrow. Yo, I'm gonna have a 14-year-old. Like my baby's about to be 14. Oh, it's very busy out here. The parking lot is full, but it's different restaurants and stores out here too. So, and not that Applebee's over there, but I'm not even Applebee's. No, that's not Applebee's. That's Chili's. I thought it was Applebee's. Happy my mommy. Happy Mother's Day to my mommy. I love you. I miss you. And I said this already, but I do miss my mama. I can't wait to taste this food. I hope it tastes good because I never ate from here before. And it looks good. Like I literally just watched a black girl TikTok about it and she said it tastes good. So you know, I'm definitely gonna go with the black girl TikTok instead of a white. I'm just saying. Because you know, we could cook. Her taste buds is gonna be telling you what's up. They're not gonna lie about it. So yeah, she said she tried the Parmesan. I watched two people. I watched a guy and a girl. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it is. Man, we gotta take a picture. I'm okay. So when his dad dropping off to me, I was a little irritated with him because I'm like, why did you not give him a haircut? Like you knew I was coming out here to take him out. Why would you not give him a haircut? Like he messed up. First of all, you messed up my plans, my first plans, and now you're doing this. Like you're doing the most. It's annoying. Very irritated. So annoying. I was like, you're not gonna mess up my day. Listen, he's not having a haircut. Not gonna make me not want to take him out or get him put him in his birthday clothes. I don't care. He always give him a haircut for his birthday. Or even when he got to go to school with. But he looked like he didn't get a haircut in a while. So his come hair go fast, just like his dad. His hair go really fast. But I could tell that he haven't had a haircut in like a few weeks, which I don't know why. Hold your head up, baby. And the front part of your hair is bothering me. That's the part because he brought him with a hat on. Like why does he have a hat on? Now the front part of your hair looking curled up. I don't like that, man. Oh, I'm so irritated. I hate when stuff don't go right, man. I have something I have planned out in my head. Like you're supposed to give him a haircut. Why does he not have a haircut? regardless. Because I bought his outfit. I bought his outfit on Shein. And I'm like, yo. We're waiting. And they're going to text and call me. Probably text him. I'm ready to taste this food though. I'm ready to taste this. Hold on, somebody text. No matter, just Capital One telling me my balance. I'll see y'all when we get inside. Whatever. What time is it, Papa? Money. What time is it? 2:48. Alright, thank you. So yeah, when we get inside.
I'll be right over.
Thank you. Hey, Papa. So we're inside. Like 5 minutes to 3.
Hello, how are we doing today?
Hi, good, how are you?
Good, my name's Alice and I'll be taking care of you guys.
So this was the one I saw on TikTok. Outlaw. The price is reasonable. And I'm gonna get a drink. I think I'm gonna get something mango or strawberry. One of them. Oh, you got the 5-9 Texas margarita. Alright, I'm gonna get this one. The drink, the steak dessert. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. I don't know. That can't cook. I never had that. But I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna go with that drink and I gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat. Okay, I'm gonna get that one. But I'm gonna get the Kimani. I think I'm gonna get this thick cut. I'm gonna get him this, the New York strip with some fries. I usually get it well done, but I think I'm gonna get medium well. I want some juiciness to it. Where's the corn? That corn look good. Oh. I don't know if I want that. But I'm gonna get the parmesan. Is it steak? It comes with Parmesan on there. The outlaw. And ooh, for the calories. For the calories. Alright, so we ordered. I'm gonna bring some butter and bread right now so we need to hurry up because I'm a little hungry. I got a salad with it too. I got a salad for a side. I got salad and I got a potato. I got Kimani fries and broccoli. But he loves me some fries. I always gotta give him fries. So I'm waiting for my drink though. I'm gonna get the bread. I hope the bread is soft and nice.
These are salads?
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Oh, alright. Salad is it looks fresh. Like it just made it. Look at me like, oh, I'm gonna cup of hot water. Oh, I'm like all these Sundays. Oh no. Can I have a cup of hot water, please? Oh no. The fork is alright, but the knife? Come on now. Come on, LongHorn. Come on now. The salad is salading. It smells fresh. I don't really eat croutons, but I'll eat it. I swear, I used to be like personally why people eat salad at a restaurant, but now I get it. I get it. I'm sorry, y'all. Ciao. When you get older, your mindset change on certain things, okay? So I get it now. Because I'm about to have a steak, might as well have a salad with it. Maybe I'll have baked potato and whatever. Oh, let me see Kimani first. Oh.
There's a Texas margarita for you.
Thank you. Oh, here you got a hot water. Tell us off the table.
For you.
Thank you.
Can I get you anything else at the moment?
Huh?
Can I get you anything else at the moment?
That's it, thank you. He's a cute white boy. Kimani, take your phone off the table. Hand it in your hand. Come on. about to eat right now. Can't be on the phone, okay? About to eat some bread. Rub your hand properly. Inside. Yeah. Oh, inside. Yeah. Alright, let's see. Ooh, margarita. That looks good. Bread and butter. And this is the hot water. Money, put the knife and stuff in here. Come, put the knife. Oh, where is it? I'll take all of it. Come on. Break the bread. Take it and break it. Break. I'll bite the whole bread. It's hard? Oh, it's not hard, bro. It's hard. Just break it like that. Always wheat bread. There's some butter right there. Go ahead. That was my store, Papa. That was my store. Not bad. Ooh, wheat bread. That is good. Try this drink. That's a margarita, alright. Money over there tearing up that wheat bread and butter. Tearing it up. But this salad though, this salad is good. I'm over here tearing this up too. The croutons, I don't know about. I'm just eating the lettuce. I think there's cheese on there too. I don't know what kind of cheese that was, but it tastes good with it. It's a Caesar salad. Should get you one of these. It's a Caesar salad. It tastes really good. Oh my god. Oh, for real. I'm gonna get out some water too. Look at this crouton. Come on, you ate all the butter? Look how you ate all the butter and left piece of bread with no butter. Wow. Boy. So the food is here. That looks good. And it's a good size. Potato, broccoli, kimani, New York strip of kimani. Yeah. Hey, the price. Spice it up. Okay, baby. There you go. Sauce right here if you want sauce.
Can't even drink Cristal on this one. I got my Gotcha 97 on right now. You gotta puff a J to this one. Can't roll a blunt up to this one, boy. What's your name?
Alright, we're gonna do this right now. Let's try the steak. Go for the steak first. good size steak. I like that. $30? Yeah, because usually they give you a small ass steak. That is a good size steak. Oh, what's that, y'all? So, I'm full. This is all I can eat. Whew. That was good though. I give this a 10 out of 10. The whole food, the whole thing is a 10 out of 10. The steak, the potato. So he didn't even let me taste the fries, so I don't know how the fries taste, but and I didn't taste his either. I didn't take his New York strip. I was gonna taste it, but I didn't bother. So yeah, my opinion was good. So the broccoli is good too. Like the salad, the salad was so fresh. I will come back here. This place is a 10 out of 10. But I'm about to order Uber and we're going. Here's the bill. Not bad. These are my leftovers. I'm about to eat for lunch tomorrow. I asked like 3 people for a bag and they didn't bring my bag yet. Like, I'm ready to go. Excuse me. The weather is so nice. It's me walking out the restaurant and see that they have toothpicks because I needed one. They smart because you can't. I'm like, I need a toothpick right now. But yeah, we're waiting for the Uber, so come over. So he listened to. But turn that down, baby. Here, toothpick. This is how I'm gonna end this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.